Hey folks, heat continues across the valley. Temperatures this afternoon back over 100 in the west. We're cooling back down. It's hard to call 98, 97 cool, but it's changing as we speak. 102 in Rio Grande City right now. Weslaco, the observation working once again at the Weslaco Airport. 94 degrees, 89 in Port Isabel at this hour. Overnight tonight, we stay in the upper 70s. Some places low 80s overnight under mainly clear skies. And then tomorrow back to 102 in McAllen, probably right at 100 in Weslaco, 101 in Edinburg. Hotter in the west, a little cooler in the east, but still a very warm day. The normal high now for the middle part of August is 97. We're going to be above that, an average of 100 the next 3 days. Records shouldn't be threatened. Sea breeze kicks in and puts a lid on things, but doesn't happen until the middle of the afternoon. Here's a look at satellite. Not much to see today. Skies have been about as blue as they can be. If we look at Future Track, it says it stays that way. Tomorrow, mostly sunny skies once again all day long. That helps warm those temperatures back up to that 100-degree mark. As we head into the weekend, earlier in the week we were talking about the slight possibility, maybe a brief shower. But there's just not enough moisture there. Here's the sea breeze. It's trying Saturday afternoon, but notice there's no green in there. There's no rain. Maybe some patchy clouds, but not much more than that. Sunday, same kind of thing. Partly to mostly sunny skies and another very warm and very dry day. So we're dry, dry, dry. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the chance of rain. What little chance of rain we see has been pushed back to the middle of next week. Rest of Texas tonight, relatively quiet. We see the spotty afternoon showers on the sea breeze in the Houston area. Some stuff out in the Big Bend popping up this afternoon, but most of the state has enjoyed a hot and dry day. Upper level high still in control, giving us a northerly flow in the upper atmosphere. So that's a dry flow. It's hard to get anything going with that. So unless you open the door to the tropics, you don't see much. Now the high does back up a little bit by the time we get to the end of the weekend, first part of next week, and by about the middle of the week, we see a little boundary that may push down close to the region. So maybe Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday in that range, an isolated shower is a possibility. But we're talking a week from now, so a lot of dry weather between now and then. Little stuff firing up in the Gulf, but nothing to be concerned about. The Caribbean's quiet. We are tracking this one system in the Atlantic that's moving off to the west, has a 20% chance of developing the next 2 to 5 days. But once it gets to the Caribbean, it's going to run into some pretty strong shear in the southern end of it, going over land. So that combination going to make it tough to get past these islands and hold together, even if it does try to develop. So we don't see much there. Farther to the north, we still have Ernesto out in the North Atlantic. 45-mile-per-hour winds heading off to the northeast could impact the UK by the end of the weekend. So here's what's going on back home now. Let's take a look at the coast. We've got winds primarily out of the southeast, about 10 to 15 miles an hour. Moderate chop, UV's extreme. The bay's 83. The surf still only 78 degrees. There are 3 tides, starting with one tonight at 9:19. So our low tonight, 79 degrees, partly cloudy skies later on. It's a warm and muggy night. Then tomorrow we're back up to 100 as an average. Western part of the valley hotter than that, closer to the coast, a little bit cooler. South-southeasterly winds at 10 to 20. So we're looking at 100 degrees through the weekend and 99, 98 for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, with an isolated shower possible beginning about Tuesday. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.